In today's video, I'm going to show you how to switch your Grammarly account quickly and correctly, whether you're using the Grammarly editor or the desktop app. This is a simple process, but if you use multiple accounts for school, work, or personal writing, knowing how to switch between them can save you time and prevent login confusion. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open the Grammarly editor in your browser or launch the Grammarly desktop app on your computer. Once it loads, look for your profile icon or avatar. In many views, you'll find it in the bottom left corner, but in some versions, it may appear in the top right area instead. Click that profile icon to open your account menu. From there, select Log Out. This signs you out of the current Grammarly account and takes you back to the login screen. Now, you can sign back in using the email and password connected to the other Grammarly account you want to use. If you normally use a Google, Apple, or Facebook login, choose that same sign-in method for the other account as well. That part is important because Grammarly treats each login method as part of a specific account. If you see a screen that says choose an account and the account you need is not listed, just select sign in with a different account. This gives you the option to enter the correct email and login details manually. After that, complete the sign-in process and Grammarly will switch you over to the other account. Once you're logged in, double check that your documents, settings, and premium features match the account you intended to use. If everything looks right, you're all set. So to quickly review, open Grammarly, click your profile icon, choose log out, then sign back in with the other account. And if you're prompted to choose an account, use sign in with a different account. That's the easiest way to switch Grammarly accounts without any confusion. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more helpful how-to videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.